Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C: and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type attrib space C: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space C: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.